In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet and sub-bullet points in Google Docs. This feature is essential for organizing information clearly, whether you're taking notes, creating a presentation, or drafting a report. So let's dive in and make your documents easier to read and more visually appealing. Start by opening Google Drive. If you're not already there, simply navigate to drive.google.com in your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll see a list of your files. Look for your document that you want to edit, or if you need to create a new one, click on the plus new button on the left-hand side and select Google Docs from the drop-down menu. When your document is open, go to the toolbar located at the top of your page. You'll want to focus on the button that looks like a list of items, which signifies the bullet point tool. Clicking this icon will immediately insert a bullet point where your cursor is located. If you've successfully activated bullet points, go ahead and start typing. Each time you hit the enter key, a new bullet point will appear. This allows you to list items one after another easily. Now, if you want to create a sub-bullet, this is where it gets interesting. Click at the start of the bullet where you want the sub-item, then press the tab key on your keyboard. This indents the bullet point, creating a sub-list. It's that simple. Want to explore different styles? Next to the bullet point icon, there's a little drop-down arrow. Click this to see a variety of bullet styles, such as filled bullets, open circles, squares, and more. Select the style that suits your document best. Customizing your bullet points can help match the tone of your content or simply make your document look more polished. Once you've created your list and customized the style to your liking, take a moment to scroll through and review it. Ensure everything aligns properly, making adjustments as necessary by using Tab to demote subpoints or Shift plus Tab to promote them back to primary bullet points. And just like that, you've successfully created a professional-looking bulleted list in Google Docs. This feature is a powerful tool to visually organize your thoughts and ideas, keeping information crisp and accessible. It's perfect for creating anything from meeting notes and shopping lists to creative outlines and detailed reports. Don't forget to save your work by ensuring that your changes have been synced with Google Drive. It's also a great habit to organize your files in folders here for easier access and management. So next time you're working on a document, remember these simple steps to enhance its readability and functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Google Workspace effectively. Happy document editing!